Good morning, guys. It's Vlogmas day 15. Only 10 more days of Vlogmas. That's crazy. This morning I am up. It is relatively early. It's like 8:30 in the morning and I'm gonna go for a run. Good morning. You haven't said hello to the vlog yet, old pup. Guys, he's getting old, but look how cute he still is. You're such a good boy, Max. Yeah. Oh, good to be home with the pup. So I didn't fill you in last night. I got back from the trip and I went straight to the office and worked all day, took the train, met my dad in San Jose. He picked me up at Diridon Station, got a clip there, got in the car, and then just had family time and we had dinner all together. My brother's back from college, so it was really nice. I don't even know, I mentioned in yesterday's vlog that I was coming down to Santa Cruz. So I'm in Santa Cruz now. We're gonna go to a Christmas tree today, and then I'm gonna head back up to the city because it was Donnie and my 6-year anniversary yesterday, and we were not together, which was kind of sad, but he's busy working, and I'd had these plans to come down to Santa Cruz, so wanted to keep those. So came down here, but now I wanna go back this evening to be with him, and hopefully we can do an anniversary dinner either tonight or tomorrow, depending on his work schedule, and otherwise the plan is to, after Christmas, go for a couple days somewhere and get a nice hotel, just somewhere nearby. So do like a little mini staycation, but I think that'd be a nice way to celebrate because 6 years is a big deal. So anyway, I'm procrastinating by petting my puppy, but I gotta go for this run. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna run to the beach. It's a 2-mile loop, a mile there, a mile back. So it should be fun. I haven't done this since high school. Or maybe I did it a couple times in college, but I used to regularly do this in high school and it was so fun. So let's get some jams, get the shoes on, go for a run. You don't know that word. You only know the slower version of that, and you like that word, but I'm not gonna say it because I don't want to get your hopes up. All right, bud, I love you.
Who are you talking to?
Vlogmas! Hi, Mom. Oh, you got an egg from the chickens. Okay, going for a run. Made it. Ah! So happy to be back. It's been a while.
The sun is just coming out from behind a cloud and I'm just so happy to be here. It has been so long since I just sat at the beach. There's something about the beach in the winter when there's like hardly any people here and the waves are a little extra rough, and it's just so peaceful, and it's just, I don't know, it's nice. I think I don't take enough time to just sit and stop and think and be with myself these days, and there's been a lot that's happened this year, so I've just been sitting here and thinking, and it's been really good. So I think I've probably been here about 15, 20 minutes, and I'll probably head home in a little while, but just gonna enjoy the beach a little longer. So I'm headed home now. Thought I would just give a little update on workout progress. Ooh, I'm going up a really steep hill. Off-roading it a little bit. Okay. Whew. I think being sick, I forgot that actually affects your ability to breathe. So coming here is a little miserable, but we made it. And I just feel like when you're working out and it's not fun, you just gotta remember that it will get easier. And inevitably, this is one step closer to it being enjoyable. And that's how, when I'm really out of shape, I remind myself that it's worth it to keep going. So, little encouragement for your Saturday morning there, because I know I needed to hear it on my way down, because it was not as much fun as I thought it was gonna be. So, giving myself a break. I'm gonna run back, but I'm gonna take breaks as I need it, and I'll see you guys when I get home. It has been a very productive morning. I'm waiting for Vlogmas to upload. It only takes 30 minutes here at home. It's so nice. But I was walking up the stairs to my room. My mom always leaves like mail and stuff, like things that I've left, whatever, on the stairs for me. And I noticed
got a little something from United. I made 1K not too long ago. So that's kind of cool. Ooh, we got some coasters, which we actually really need. So that's funny. We can use these until we get some real ones. I got, oh, a luggage tag. That's really convenient given I don't have a luggage tag on my bags. Something I asked for Christmas, but I will definitely, I guess I don't have any trips before Christmas, but if I don't get something for Christmas, I will definitely use this. Maybe if you put it on your bag, then they try extra hard not to lose it. So yeah, I made 1K on United, which was exciting because whatever you finish at this year, you have for all of next year. So hopefully I travel a lot next year and again, secure my spot for the year following. But even if I don't travel a ton next year, I would still have 1K for the year. So we primarily fly United at my work because it's just the most convenient. They fly the most places and everyone likes being able to use a rewards program because we all pay with our own credit cards, so we get credit card points, but then we also get airline points. So everyone's kind of loyal to United now, and I know there's a lot of controversy with United, but I personally didn't choose it. I'm not particularly loyal to any specific airlines when I travel personally, except now I have all these United points, so I will probably travel United because I can fly for free using my points. So anyway, I just thought that was kind of fun to open up. Let's see what else is in here. It's probably just like marketing materials, but yep, just telling you what you get. Complimentary premier upgrades. Yeah, I have all of these upgrades. I need to like learn how to do all of this stuff, but it's essentially the highest level you can get on United, except they have global services, which I have no hope of getting to at this point, but there are a couple people at our firm who are global services. And the best story I have about global services is we had a really short connection one time connecting in Houston, and Houston's a really large airport. So I was traveling with one of the principals at my firm who's 1K. He does a lot of international travel for his personal because he's from another country. So anyway, he and I were traveling with the CEO of one of the companies that I work on, and we had a really short connection. And we step off the plane, and there's a guy standing there with a card that has his first and last name on it. And they open the door where they would normally bring up like the carry-on luggage if you had to check it plane side, so on the ramp. And they take us down onto the tarmac, and there's like a really nice black sedan waiting for us. They load up our bags, and they drive us across the tarmac to get us to the other terminal way, way, way faster. And it was like the coolest thing because you're just driving past all these planes. And anyway, then we just got off and made our flight, and it was totally fine. But super cool, super handy. What else do we get? I got all these. Oh my god, I have so many drink vouchers. It's insane. Because when I made, what's the bronze or platinum? I made platinum a little while ago, and I got drink cards for that. I have drink cards for this. I just have so many drink cards. Oh, I got things to attach my luggage tags. Very handy. Thanks for that, guys. And customer service information. That's kind of fun. Okay, let's go try to rally the troops. It sounds like they're inside, and I feel like we have a good shot of getting our Christmas tree if we head out soon. Also, I'm starving. We're supposed to get burgers at my favorite place. If you're ever in Santa Cruz, Betty's Burgers, guys. Oh, the fries. I dream about them like all month until I come to Santa Cruz and have them. Let's go. That's too thick. You won't be able to hang your ornaments.
Smells very good.
The key, guys, is not too thick. Gotta have room for your ornaments.
I kind of like this one. Yeah. Sniff test?
Doesn't smell particularly good.
But this has a nice look to it. Rotate, please.
Looks pretty good all around.
There's that big sparse spot, yeah, at the back. But if that's the front, okay, so this would have to be the front.
Yeah.
It's a little lopsided. Do you think those bits will come down?
These are kind of funny. You know what I mean? You see what I'm seeing on it?
Yeah, I'm seeing what you're seeing.
Still like it? It's kind of funny.
It does look kind of funny at the top.
Maybe we can trim those.
I was okay with it, but
I think we should keep considering.
Let me hold it.
Whoa, there's Mom! Photo shoot time. Excited?
yay!
Yay, that was so easy this year. We've got a good one.
Repeat. Pull it down. That should be tight enough.
Alright guys, it's that time of year. Gotta find our favorite Christmas CD. Haha. If you watch Vlogmas, you know my family is all about the Tex-Mex Christmas music. Are you excited, Max? Alright, let's pop this one in. You're so cute. Who is that? Is that Mama or Santa? He's like, can't tell, gotta sneeze.
Come on, I need to hear you now. I got my love to keep me warm.
Well, you're not moving.
Ya llegó la Navidad, se aproxima el año nuevo. Vamos todos.
Just arrived at the Bayshore station because they don't do weekend service to San Francisco. Took Caltrain from San Jose because my mom does not like to drive all the way to the city, which is totally understandable. So I'm now just walking to figure out where Ubers pick up, and I'm waiting for my Uber Express pool to come because it's only $4 versus like $17. Yeah. Oh well, there's lots of people on the train who don't realize that they have to get off here. Awkward. Good morning, guys. It's Vlogmas Day 16, and I'm again without Donnie. I feel like he's hardly been in this Vlogmas, but he has been so crazy busy that we really haven't seen each other a ton, and in the times that we are together, I haven't felt like shoving a camera in his face, so he hasn't been in this Vlogmas very much, but oh well. Just went into the office. It's actually almost 2 p.m. We slept in really late. He just has not been sleeping a lot, so he wanted to sleep in. I was gonna get up earlier, and then I was really comfy, so we ended up sleeping till like 12:30, and then we got up. I made rolled oats. What else is new? I have a bunch of stuff to do today. I need to order Christmas presents for everyone left on our list, which is basically everybody. I need to order Donnie's Christmas present. I need to figure out what I'm gonna wear to our holiday party. I need to get my nails done. I need to pluck my eyebrows. They're so bad. There's just like a ton of stuff, so I need to like sit down. I need to just organize my morning. But I'm gonna start by getting this vlog uploaded in the common area. So let's go. Guys, I've just spent like the last 10 minutes looking for my keys, and I have no idea where they are. And it's not like me to lose my keys. I'm like really good at keeping track of them. I don't lose stuff that often. Ah, this is so frustrating. Just texted Donnie to see if he somehow accidentally like grabbed them along with his, because that's the only thing I can think of. I mean, I've looked everywhere. Update, found my keys, they were on the bed. Why they were on the bed? Beyond me, but they were on the bed. All right, we can go now. Super exciting news, guys. It's not even 4 o'clock and Donnie is already off work and on his way home. So we actually get to hang out today, which makes me so happy. I thought that he was gonna be in the office all day and I wouldn't see him until like late tonight. But he's off, he's coming home. All right, guys, I got some makeup on. Remember when these were like the big thing, the messy buns? I haven't done one in a while, especially because I have short hair. And currently all of my baby hairs in the back, well, they're not even baby hairs, but like my shorter layers in the back are falling out, but I'll just grab a bobby pin. But I was like kind of impressed that I was able to do this. Anyway, I'm just waiting for Donnie, and then we are gonna head out to Costco, because it's the weekend and what else are you gonna do? Gonna go to, there's a winter sports store outlet right nearby, so I have a couple of Christmas presents I want to pick up from there, and then we're gonna grab lunch at Costco, the huge, pick up some food for the week, and yeah, I guess we don't really need that much for the week. I think we're kind of just going to go. We don't really need that much food this week because we're gonna be down in Santa Cruz on the 19th, which is Wednesday, so. You? Lunchtime. Alright guys, thought we'd do a quick Costco haul. First thing we got, because Donnie took this to his office for Secret Santa. It's an ongoing joke, don't worry about it. Was this popcorn gift basket because we thought it'd be fun to give to someone in his family. So we got that. We have a bunch of great gift sets. If you're looking for little like presents that are, you know, little assortments of food, check out Costco. Also, I talked about in my gift guide, Bose headphones. I think they were $100 off at Costco today, so check that out if you're interested. Sourdough crisps, a delicious accompanying side food to go with your charcuterie and your soups. Pantene conditioner, liqueur-filled dark chocolates, again, great holiday gift for the host or hostess. Frere Rocher, a classic. And last but not least, dinner for tonight. We got this Sushi's chicken tikka masala. We got some naan to go with it. And we got some lemon rice. So overall, pretty solid haul. What's up, guys? I'm in a great mood. I feel like I'm just on a YouTube roll right now. I just filmed, ignore my mess, an outfit guide for parties. I'm getting ready to do the intro. It's gonna be like cute and stacked. See, oh, so clever. Anyway, working on video editing right now, which is so fun. And yeah, I'm just in a great mood. It's just been fun being back into YouTube. I've really missed it.